Hello everyone, and welcome to Sveta's menu. Today we're making a delicious cheese and spinach pie. For this recipe you'll need fresh spinach, 2 sheets of puff pastry, 200 grams of cottage cheese, 100 grams of cheese, 1 egg, 2 garlic cloves, and salt to taste. Let's get started. First, wash, dry, and finely chop the spinach. Did you know that spinach was a favorite vegetable of medieval knights? It's packed with iron, vitamins, and helps strengthen the immune system. No wonder it's called the king of green vegetables. When the spinach is chopped, add the cottage cheese, grated cheese, raw egg, minced garlic, and salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, but feel free to adjust it to your taste. Now, mix everything. By the way, if you think that 1 egg is not enough, you can add another one. Next, roll out half of the pastry and place it on a baking sheet. This will be our bottom layer. You can make the pie of any shape, round, triangular, etc. I make a square one to fit my baking sheet. Spread the filling evenly on top, leaving about 2 centimeters of space around the edges. I'll explain why we leave this space in a moment. Roll out the other half of the pastry, making it about 1 to 2 centimeters smaller. Place it over the filling, covering it completely. Now carefully seal the edges of the top and bottom layers. If the bottom layer is slightly larger, it makes it easier to pinch the edges together neatly, as I'm showing in the video. I'll add a few decorative slits to the pastry, but that's optional. You can skip this step if you like. Brush the top with a beaten egg, using a pastry brush. This will give the pie a lovely golden crust once baked, making it look even more appetizing. Place the pie in an oven preheated to 180 to 190 degrees Celsius and bake for about 30 minutes. The time may vary depending on your oven and the thickness of the pie. And just look at the beautiful, delicious pie we've created. This pie looks absolutely divine, doesn't it? Have you ever made a cheese and spinach pie before? How did it turn out? Have you ever had a pie that was a total disaster? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please feel free to share in the comments. It's always so interesting for me to see your ideas and stories. Let's chat about all things pies. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you in the next video.